Hi friends, welcome back. Finally, our 5 steps dashboard is ready with pivot, dashboard, slicer, chart, and today we are going to do the analysis. Let us understand how this analytical tool is helping us, and we'll go through 3 key questions that we need to address. Which is the best day for the sale? Which product are highly sold? Which product is giving good returns? So the most happening day is Sunday. Okay, and I'm clicking on Sunday in the slicer to see the other slices of Sunday. The category is youth, which is more happening. The books are sold more. Active users are X01, P01. So this is how the slicer is helping us for doing the analysis. Similarly, we can do analysis of our other questions. Which product is more sold? So if you'll go to products, on the slicer you will see the products which are highly sold are books. Okay, and in the books, okay, when we click on books we see that the kids books between 6 to 12 category are highly sold. Again, good day for that sale is Sunday, but the active user here is D01. Wonderful. Now we'll analyze the third question. It's about the category, which category is highly active. Okay, and when I go to the data, it tells me that teenage is the the highly active category. And if you'll see now the data dynamics, the active day is Friday. Okay, and active user is still D01, and the clicks on Friday are 106. So this is how we can analyze data using the slicer. We can slice all the elements of the data and go deep dive into it. The slicer will help us doing that, and based on this data we can take the data driven decisions. Thank you. I hope you like this and it helps us in our day-to-day activity for doing data analysis with the simple tool Excel. Thanks. Have a good day.